Hello, my name is Jain and I am a proud Navkarite. I have secured All India rank 8th in CA Foundation examinations of November 2018. I would not have been able to achieve this without the constant support and guidance of Navkar and of course the blessings of my parents. Navkar is the one-step solution for CA coaching. The infrastructure, the decorum, the study material and the management, all these things are just fantastic. All the faculties over here are very helpful and inspiring. We the students are able to learn in a more enhanced way due to their innovative teaching patterns. Even the Navkar's examination system is very beneficial for a student's self-evaluation. We have chapter-wise tests, till-learn exams and prelims. All these are planned in a very good manner. Personally speaking, I gave all these exams and due to this, I did not face much hardships at the 11th hour. More, it's not only about the academics given here, but even the mentorship, the induction meets provided by Navkar motivates a student in such a great manner that they pass through the stressful journey of CA. Moreover, the video lectures provided by Navkar proved to be a boon for me as they helped me in revising my topics and improving my conceptual clarity. So these were the guiding forces behind my achievement, and at last I would say that Navkar is the best coaching institute for the CA aspirants, because if you just follow the Navkar's pattern, you will definitely pass out with flying colors. My journey with Navkar is not yet over. Currently I am pursuing intermediate from Navkar itself, and I'll remain a proud Navkarite till I become a qualified chartered accountant. Navkar, we believe in the best.